Hello, I'd like to take a minute and walk you through the improvements that we've made to the returns processing within inside of Tracknicity. So we've greatly enhanced the ability to create returns or allocate items from one project to another based upon customer feedback. So if I go into a project here, you'll see that I've got this icon here with the double arrows. And basically what that's allowing me to do is either return an item to stock or allocate it to another job. So you'll see that once an item is delivered, I can't do that here. I have to process a new transaction to return the item to stock. But in this case, if I look at this Arlington LV2, this item hasn't been delivered yet. So I can simply click on this icon right here, and I can do one of two things. I can return the item to stock by clicking Return to Stock, selecting where I want to return it to, and the quantity that I'm returning. Once I do that and submit it, that icon will go away because that item has now shown as delivered, and it will subsequently show up as returned as well. So I can see that it was returned to the warehouse by this person on April 5th. So that makes it really easy to just return items back into my stock. Maybe I have an item that I want to allocate to another project. So I simply click on that same icon. I click on the little caret here, and I start typing in the name of the new job. Once I select that and click Save, that item will now show that it was delivered because it's been taken to that other job, and I can no longer process a transaction to it. If I went in and looked at that other job, I would now show that as being available from stock since it was taken from stock that I already had and allocated to that other job. So we've greatly enhanced the ability to do those returns to stock as well as the allocation to another project. We still support the ability to write that change order back into DTools. So if you are returning an item and you need to credit the project, we have this DTools Project Editions returns button here, which will generate a change order or append to an existing change order inside of DTools once you approve this item and send it over. So lots of different ways to process transactions, both internally as well as back into the project. Makes it real simple in today's inventory challenge days to move things back and forth.